my name is Irina and I'm with DBBest, software development and data management services. So today is it's the last day of the workshop to build the org board, and we just finished all the materials and practical assignments. So we've been working through all of the divisions of the org board, and I haven't finished it all yet. I still will be working on this on my plane, and then I'm looking forward to get this final org board. The whole workshop was very interesting. I learned a lot of new concepts, but it also makes it very clear how much more work I had to put more order into the business. But one thing which I enjoyed really through the workshop is the environment where we discuss business problems with people who are experienced helping other businesses and actually being outside of my day-to-day crazy paced life, and actually looking at my business from outside and looking and planning how I can organize it better so that I can take it to the next level. So most of anything, it gives me some hope that there is better times ahead, and this is what I'm living with.